Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back here. Well, today is the 12th of January 2024. Alright, so yep, we are back here once again. Alright, good morning everybody. Yeah, I just woke up half an hour ago. Yeah. Okay, today is Friday. Another preservation day, profit preservation day, PP day. But today is also a PPI, right? Today we're going to have a PPI again, right? Yeah, okay, so it actually comes along with what happened yesterday. Hi, morning, good morning everybody. And let's see, right? Okay. Hi MK, Dobro Jutro, Carlo, Bradley, JJ, nice to see all of you here once again. And wow, you got 20 pips from the go. Wow, congratulations. Yeah, your plans works. Okay, nice, very good, very good. Let's quickly get into the MT4. Hi Manwai, nice to see you. Oh, I miss you so much. Yeah, okay, let's take a look. Where is my MT4? Right, where's my MT4? Let's take a look. Okay, yep. Okay. And where's me? Okay, I'm missing. Okay. I'm searching for myself, alright. Well, let me see. Okay. It was a great day yesterday. Yeah, indeed. It is. Okay. Yeah, it was a good day. Yeah, and let's see. Okay, let me figure out later on. Okay, let's quickly go to the MT4 first. Let's have a little recap. Let's go with the gold first, okay? No, let's go with the Bitcoin since Bitcoin is a bit shorter. Well, Bitcoin yesterday highest was it went up to 48,961. Okay, so I think we are approaching 55 for the Bitcoin. Yeah, I think which is good. So I'm not sure how it will go once again. Well, all right. Hi Alan, nice to see you. Good afternoon to you. Wow, it's cold, man. Oh, all right. Real cold, really cool, huh? Yeah. Okay. So okay. So let's see. What do we have here? Okay, the Bitcoin, we're approaching 55 and now we're already at 48. For Bitcoin wise, people were asking me, how do I trade with the Bitcoin? Usually Bitcoin, I would prefer to go as like, go on the long term. Okay, so probably a good, we have to study a lot of Bitcoin on the market news, the latest update. Okay, yeah, and and also, okay, and also, let's take a look and now the goal. Yesterday was really very good, so I believe Caro has captured your TP, correct? At this point here, when it actually hits into the support area, it's creating a support area over here. Okay, yesterday we were talking about this, right? It swing down, then it started to create this thing. Then after that, it started to swing off again. Okay, that's good. Okay, right. Yeah, fantastic. Congratulations. Okay, that's nice. Well done, well done. Okay, so yes, and once again, over at this point here, we are also looking into how this thing is going to work. Okay, and let's see. Right. Hi Sabrina, thank you so much for coming in. Okay, so for the goal wise, I think let's see. Well, TP 2037.55. Okay, right. JJ, I was too slow testing. Thought would be first. Okay, no worries, no worries. Okay, yeah. Okay. Well, thank you so much for the support. Okay, seriously, really very thankful. Okay, yeah. Okay, so once again, and today, how's the goal is going to be like. We will need to study a little bit onto the H1 here. Let me see, H1, H4. Okay, so is these are going to be another round. It looks like they are trying to take out the liquidity up there. Okay, so probably today should be waiting for somewhere, okay, to take something. Okay, yeah, okay, let me see. Okay, yeah, yesterday go buy at 2016. Buy at 2016. Wow, what a low price, man. Okay, 2016 to 2024 to 2024. Wow. Okay, that's the good one. Okay, so wow, nowadays for Alan, the goal wise you have been taking about 80 to 100 pips. Huh? I think that's a well, good move. Okay, but must know why you take, huh? Okay. Good afternoon, Namaste, Wasim. Nice to see you here. All right. Well, okay, and you know what? Looks like Alan, if you continue to do this, okay, I see that I see that you should have a good profits in this one whole year. Okay, keep doing it. Okay, but also understand the risk. Okay, yeah, okay. Learning to trade with support and resistance with the goal, but quite risky. Support resistance with the goal, okay. Yes, I mean, you can. Okay, yes, you can. Like I said yesterday. Okay, probably if you are analyzing with it, then probably may not be so good, huh? Okay. Somehow rather, of course, more or less support resistance, it will help in the goal, okay, in certain aspects, but not in analysis way, huh? Okay, all right. For me, that's my personal thoughts. Okay, then you need a lot of understanding for the goal. If I'm not wrong, okay, ask Caro. Okay, all right. Am I right, Caro? Because we need to understand a lot of things like where's the liquidity, okay, then the goal movement, of course, fundamental, of course, we also need a lot of fundamental in the goal. Like example, wartime, you know, we have not even recovered this Israel matter yet. Okay, so there's still a lot of things today to go. Okay, yeah, need to learn how to seek liquidity for gold trading, huh? Okay, well, liquidity wise, I think it's not that difficult. Okay, but you have to understand it. Okay, once you understand it, I think more or less you know where it's going. All right. Okay, so for today, I think there will still be a little bit more to go. Okay, so this like over at this point here, by looking into this level here, all right, we are still looking out for some levels, okay, which in order to take this, okay, I think we still have a bit to go before we can take this area here. Okay, before we can take this area, we still need to recover some to get this. Okay, right. Okay, so we still stand some chance there. Okay, we still stand some chance there. So at this point of time, we need to wait for a while to see whether it will actually achieve. I'm looking into achieving 2042. Okay, 2042, around there. 2042. This whole area here. Okay, right. 2041 to 2042, around this area, this zone here. Okay, then after this zone, maybe looking out for some selling, right? For some selling there. Where will be the the selling will actually quite good, I would say, since this has been 2028 has been taken out since yesterday. We're looking at that. All right, then let's take this away. Okay, let's take this away to clear up. Okay, to clear up, but some of the area that may face up with some turbulence. Okay, that is this area here. Want to move. Okay, so this area constitute into this level. So it looks like there will be a very good zone for that. For the goal wise, most likely we are looking into the moving towards to 2041 to 2042. Then another round of selling down to 2030 is possible. Then this is one zone. Then if that can break this, and maybe going into 2023 for another zone. Okay. Yeah. Right. One. Okay. So yeah, that's for the goal. For the pound dollar, let's recap a little bit. Yesterday, we were taking profits around this area when I'm having my live. So our plan was telling Sabrina it may also be becoming a head and shoulder, inverse head and shoulder, then it will start to reverse back. We were looking at this area, am I right, yesterday? We were looking at this area that it will actually test back into this area, then likely to sell off. Right, so let me put this back here. Okay, this one. So it went back, it tested, break it, and hover around this area and break it once again to go further down. After, of course, the high impact news pushes up to test up onto this level, which is right. This is the level. Okay, and once this level has been tested, got rejected down all the way to take our target 126,947. 126,947. Okay, this is the level where I see the area of support over here. Okay, this is the area of support for this wave. Like I said, this wave, okay, I think yesterday we talked about that. This wave have been tested and balanced out. Then it created another wave to have a swing, to have a new swing here. So this swing, it created again. All right. So yesterday, that's why yesterday we're looking out for the selling. All right. So in this case here, all right, we managed to clear off, but looks like I'm waiting for 126,947 to break so that we have another round level. Okay, another round down there waiting for us. There's still a lot of opportunity down here. Okay, down here, there's a lot of opportunity down here. Then again is that there's something up there still waiting for us to be taken. Okay, so still plenty of, so you know, this level. Okay, I'm still waiting for this level to be completed. Okay, so I don't think they satisfy this. I don't think they are satisfied with this move yet for the pound dollar. I think they'll still continue to go a little bit higher to take out. Then after that, likely the swing down may come. Okay, so if we look at the general trend, okay, we are still in the bull, am I right? Okay, so the bull has not really comes into an area of resistance. Okay, and that area of resistance has not been tested yet, and it has not tested yet, one thing. Okay, and also it has also not been taken out yet for the liquidity up there. So still plenty of time, plenty of chance there to go for a long. And yesterday we were talking about that is that you know, we are still in general trend. We are still in the bull. Okay, so yesterday was actually a pullback. So yesterday when we were trading, okay, this area is actually a pullback. Okay, so it's a pullback. So when we are talking about the pullback, of course we still look out for opportunity to sell off, but once it hits on some of the support, it will boom back. It will boom up very easily. That is also one thing that we also need to take note. Okay, all right. Hi, Merry Christmas. Nice to see you here. Okay, so yeah, so that is one. Okay, so currently, as we can see yesterday, since we have taken out the profits on the pullback trading, and today we are still going back on the bull side. Okay, are we going to sell off? Today, today, all right. Today PPI. Okay, today PPI again. So, but I see that the PPI month of month. I don't think it should have a big impact like yesterday's CPI, because the CPI yesterday was actually year of year. Am I right? Okay, it's on the year of year. No matter what, today is Friday. It's our PP day. Okay, so profit preservation day. So we just need to be a little bit tactful and go slow a little bit. Okay, right. So yeah, and I also see there's one thing. Okay, yesterday I was with one of the guys here. Okay, I would like to congratulate you. 246 trades with 100% TP. There's only 2 trades that he hold over the nights. Okay, so overnight, two overnight trades. I think two overnight trades. So congratulations, good job. All right, 246. 246 trades. Wow. I think amazing. Okay. Okay, so good job. All right. So within our learning community, okay, I always give my guys this thing. Go for 100 trades. Okay, go for 100 trades. Use a single strategy. If you're using support resistance, just use support resistance. Don't read other things. Okay, and created 246 trades. Okay, all in pound dollar. So wow, only 2 trades that I hold overnight. Okay, so not bad. The rest are all got the 200% TP except for the 2. So I will say that you actually achieve almost a 97% plus of winning rates, and profits wise, of course, more than that. Okay, more than 100%. I think perfect. That's good. Okay. So right, come back here. Okay, come back here. So for today, okay, yeah, yes, maybe can focus on GJ. Yes, all right. Merry Christmas. Okay, let's take a look. GJ. All right. Okay, let's take a look at GJ. You're focusing on GJ to sell or to buy. Okay, let's see. GJ wise, okay, I have 2 profitable area down here. Okay, so looking at this area to be achieved. Okay. Will be Mamma Mia. Okay, yeah, I like that, Mamma Mia. Okay, so yes, hi Ken Sun, Tan Ken Sun. Thank you so much for joining in the Discord. Okay. Right. Tan Ken Sun. Yeah. Okay. Well, okay. So over at this point here, we are now looking into pound yen. All right, pound yen over at this level here. Looks like is there any selling? Yep. Let's see. Let's check. Well, over at this point here, for pound yen, okay, so that's for pound yen. Pound yen is actually looking into which area? I think, let's see. Oh, pound yen. Pound yen. We have a resistance up here tested, but then let's check pound yen. We have yep, good area. Okay, yen. Pound yen over here. Where is it? Okay. Yeah. Okay. First of all, let's come back here. Let's take a look. Pound yen is more or less is moving like like what we talked about that in the pound dollar yesterday. The bull has ran up. Okay. I think still running on the bull side. Okay, for the pound yen. We are still looking into the bull. Okay, the general trend is still looking on the bull side. Okay, so likely to see some retracement down. Okay, but then again, the good thing is that okay, this is where the support is. Okay, 185, 136. Okay, 185, 136 is where the support, and this support. Okay, be looking into if I'm looking for selling because now it's actually coming to the support. So let's see if this support will actually hold it to go further up, or okay, it will be likely to be like yesterday. Okay, it should break below. I want to retest this level, and I'll be trading for a selling into this zone. This should be the zone, huh? Let's see. Let's see. Is this the zone? Okay. Let me take this away. Okay. Yeah. Looks good. 1, 2. We are. Yeah. Okay. So this will be the zone. 184,359 will be the targeted area. Okay, so 184,359. So we should be looking out around 75 pips. Okay, around 75 pips. Okay, right. Okay, so I think 75 pips there. Okay, so this is the area here. All right, if I'm talking about selling. All right, yes, Merry Christmas. But don't miss out GU also. Yep, of course. Okay. So just now you're talking about GJ. So GJ, are you looking at selling or you're looking at buying? Okay. So over here, generally, it looks like you go into a transition area, going for a selling soon, to look out for another round of support. Okay, so I think this one previously we have Marcus with us talking about this is a tungsten strategy. Okay, yeah, selling, huh? Okay, so this area. Okay, this area should be good. Okay, but provided it must break 185, 136. 185, 136, then I'll be looking out for another retesting to sell off. Okay, so that will be for the pound yen. Okay, yes, thank you. Merry Christmas. All right, so oh yeah, talking about Merry Christmas, I've forgotten about how do you celebrate your Christmas? Are you the Santa? Okay. All right, so pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar. Let's take a look at the pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar. Okay, so let's see. Pound dollar. We have yeah, help you look out for selling, bro. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, do signal me, yeah. Okay, do signal us. Okay. สวัสดีครับวิวกินข้าวเหนียวไหม Yes, where is your uniform? My uniform? My uniform? My uniform not with me. It's not being packed into the luggage. Okay. I will be very soon. I'll be very soon, huh? Okay. Alright, I'll be very soon to put back the uniform. Yeah. Okay. You are very observant. You're talking about the uniform. Okay. Okay, so yes, yeah, law I am. You're the center, huh? Okay. Okay, and all right. Let's see. Okay, let's see, huh? Okay. Okay, okay. Right. Okay, so let's see. Okay, and for the pound dollar, we are looks like they are trying to take the highs. Okay, okay, they are going to take the highs. Okay, and looks like this area here. Okay, GU. Okay, you're looking for selling now, right? Okay, so let's see. Okay, over here. Okay, so GU. First of all, I guess the highs. I think waiting to take the highs up there. Okay, and of course let me remove this box first. Okay, let me remove this box. All right. So let's see if this is going to take the highs up there. Okay, after taking out the highs, okay, we may be looking out further a little bit more to 127,891 maybe. Okay, 127,891. Okay, that may be the price. I'm looking at 127,891 to sell. Okay, that is one of the price that may be going up there to sell. Because tentatively, by looking into the whole trend, okay, by looking out into the whole trend, I'm looking at currently some selling off right now is to erase some of the gains where just now about 1 or 2 hours ago. So at the moment, okay, okay, I'm looking into more onto a little bit more on the buy side. It's still a little bit more on the buy side. Okay, so if you are doing a short-term scalping here, possible but not now. Maybe another 20 minutes. Okay, maybe another 20 minutes to go. Okay, right. So this area, okay, this area here. Let's look out for this area for now. Okay, so we have about a 15 pips, 15. Okay, 15 pips. Right, so over at this point here, they have tested into the area here. Okay, so likely to see some selling. Then again, is that some supports here. Okay, all right. So these are the zones that are very stubborn. Okay, this is a very stubborn area. So it may comes back here. Then after that, it may boom up again. As you can see, this may looks like an inverse head and shoulder. Am I right? Okay, so let's see if this is going to break below. But the generally, if I'm going to sell, okay, probably I'll be waiting up for the level up there. Okay, to see what it forms up to give a selling signal. Then I will go for the selling. When the selling structure has formed up with a selling signal, then I will go for the selling. So in a way, it has a bigger space up there for 25 pips or even 35 pips. Okay, 25 to 34. Then we are looking out into area like good targets down there from not this. Sorry. Let's see. Okay. 127.41 to 127.23. So this area, another round of 17 pips. This area of 13. Am I right? Okay, let's check again. Okay, so here to this area 13, and then one round, another round of 18, and finally am I doing the right thing? Okay, let's take these two first. This is not very confirmed yet. Okay, it's not very confirmed yet. So let's see. Yeah, 126.895. 126.895 here is still one of my targets down here. Okay, looks like it's still pretty good. Okay, looks like it's still pretty good here. All right. Okay. Yeah. So let's see. Okay. Yeah. Pound dollar selling off now. I think are quite good. Okay. 8 pips away just now. The selling off 8 pips already. So hopefully it breaks through. Okay. Hopefully it breaks through to break this area as well. Okay. To break this area. Why am I not taking this area here is because, first thing, we are pretty near to the high side, and still waiting to see if this is going to be taken out, and then to create a new selling signal, selling structure. Okay, because currently, you know, like this way, okay, it went up to create a transition area. Okay, so within this transition area, it may go either way for me. So I was wondering where it will go. Take out the highs or break the support. Okay, so I have these thoughts. Once I have these thoughts that I'm unsure where it is going. Okay, and it is at this kind of area. Usually I will skip. Okay, Okay. Yeah. Okay, so that is one. Okay, and that is why I usually, for this type, I don't really take any trades there. Okay, so yep, and let's see how is it. Okay, so let's see if this is going to break this area, break out of this head and shoulder structure. Okay, or it's going to form an inverse head and shoulder to take the highs, then we look out for the selling up there. All right. Okay, the selling up there here. Okay. Yeah. Right. Yes. Boom. I like that. Boom. Okay, let's take a look. 2037. It is gold. TP 16 bit as usual. No bottom. Wick on H1. All right. Let's see. Okay. No bottom wick on H1. Right. Okay. So let's see. Okay, this is this the one? We are talking about this. Okay, so over here. All right. Okay, so that's how it works. I think okay, that's how it works again. Yeah. Right. Okay, so well, let's see. Well done. Congratulations, Carol. Bradley, I'm slow. Right. Okay. Yeah, and let's see. Okay, good. So after they created these weeks, and now what's the next one? Okay, it always works, right? Okay. Yep, indeed. Okay. Right. The thing is that we know this. But the rest, I think many of us we do not know where to enter, when to get into a trade, when it's going to start to form the wicks. You get what I mean? Yeah. Okay. That's the key. That's the key. Okay. So I think it may be a too short for many to to get a very good entry on that. All right. But usually, okay, you can just follow. Okay, you can just using, for me, I think you can use M5. Okay, to see if there is any selling structure that is surfacing, or a pullback surfacing. Okay, right. Okay, and I think with these two concepts, with these two theory, okay, I think you can work with this no wicks theory, this Nostradamus style, okay, to capture some scalping profits here. Okay, am I right, Carlo? Okay, so you have that. Okay, let's see. Okay, H1 M30, click on candle. When you see opening price equal lowest price of the candle, wait until it goes other way, like 10-15 pips, and enter a trade. Okay, H1 or M30, either H1 or M30, right? Okay, so if you once the candle open, okay, right, okay, over, like say here, okay, right, yeah, then when you see opening price equal the lowest price of the candle, okay, wait until it goes either 10 to 15, then about 10, okay, about, let's say over here 10 to 15, okay, then after that you can start selling. Okay, yeah, all right, okay, yep, okay, so that is one of the way that you can take a look over at this point here. All right, I can suggest another way. Okay, I can suggest another way. All right, so probably maybe looking into the previous candle. Okay, previous candle. Right. So for example, let's talk about this. Let's say if this is going to move up, okay, if it's going to take the last candle, okay, the last candle high, then we can start to look out for some selling. Okay. But the lowest price of H1 candle cannot be lower than the opening price. What do you mean by the opening? What do you mean by the opening? You mean the opening of the day or opening of that particular candle? Let me see. Let me have some booster so that I can understand what I'm saying. Boost some of my understanding IQ. Okay. Opening price of the H1 candle. Okay. Okay, yeah, okay, so when you see opening price which is equal to the lowest price of the candle, okay, yeah, that is the opening price. Okay, we are not talking about now. Like this is lower than the opening. Okay, this is lower than the opening. So the opening should be up here. Okay, this is a bit too, let me use M5 example. Okay. This one. This candle, this moving candle, this current candle, okay, for example here, okay, now this is the lowest price. Can you see when it turn green, this bottom here is the lowest price. Okay, all right, okay, so with this, all right, with this, okay, so another, yeah, okay, do you see the date of candles on the MT4? Okay, the date of the candle on MT4. Okay, so over here. Right, so what you can do also, okay, put your mouse on the candle. Okay, mouse on the candle. You can see something down there. Okay, something down there. Okay, all right. Okay, some wording down at the bottom, this area here. Okay, this area here. All right. Okay, this whole area here, there's some figures here to show you the high and low and the opening. Okay, yeah, so you can see there. All right, so you can see where's the opening price. O for opening, H for high, L for low, C for close, V for volume. Okay, all right. Okay, over here, this area here, you can see at the bottom right, you can see there's this connection status. All right, then up and over here. Okay, this whole area here. Okay, this whole area here, huh? Okay. So when you place your mouse there, you can see. So let's come back H1. Okay, H1 over here, this area. Then can you see opening price, which is 2037.46. 2037.46. Okay, so that's where. So what you do is that, okay, that's the lowest price. Okay, so once it goes up, okay, like Carol was saying, 10 to 15. Okay, then after that, when it started to swing back, okay, yeah, then that is the target. Okay, am I right, Carol? Okay, so that's one way. Okay, nice. Same concept. So Merry Christmas also know this concept. Wonderful, huh? Okay, very good. We have many experts here. That's so good. All right, thank you for the sharing there. Yeah. Okay. Over at this area here. Okay, I think like, okay, like I understand that many people will maybe thinking that this concept is good, but the exact, is there a reference point or a confirmation for the entry? You get what I mean? Okay, for the entry. Well, the entry wise, a lot of time is if you are looking out in either 30 or H1, then you know what, you have a lot of ways to look out for the entry. You have a lot of ways to confirm, to have a lot of confirmation. All right. Hi Maher, Happy New Year. Nice to see you here. Thank you so much for coming back. All right, so over here, yeah, flip yeah, flip. Okay, let's call the flip. Okay, you are trading the flip. Okay, flip. I like to make fun of Merry Christmas. Flip. Okay. All right. Thank you, Maher. Thank you so much. Okay. Enough. Okay, just joking, huh? Okay, don't take it too hard, huh? Okay, don't take my words too hard, but please take me to your heart. Okay. Okay, so right. Okay, so over here. Okay, over here. Wait. I'm telling Merry Christmas because I think Merry Christmas a bit boring over on the other side. So I'm trying to amuse Merry Christmas. Okay. humor. Okay, so wake you up. Wake you up. All right. Okay. Right, over here. So tentatively today for the goal wise, yeah. So waiting for the goal to achieve this whole area. Then maybe you'll look out for some selling. Okay. What's your thoughts for the goal, Carol? I'm looking at 2041 to 2042 for the selling. Yeah. Any thoughts, Carol? Okay. So over at this point here, let's take a look at pound dollar. All right, pound dollar. Okay, let's come back pound dollar over here. All right, pound dollar seems like, well, it goes again to the plan where it seems like now it's actually building up the inverse head and shoulder. We'll continue the buy. So we are looking out for some selling up there. Okay, so let's go quickly. Go. Okay. All right. Hey, wait. Before it goes, Merry Christmas. Did you enter a selling trade for the pound dollar? If you have entered, then let's pray for it to come down and take your TP first before it goes up. Huh? Okay. Pound yen. Okay, once again, pound yen. Okay, pound yen. Almost there. We are We are breaking this area soon. Okay, then let's wait for a resistance to form up so that I'm going to take this area. We have about 75 pips down there. Okay, about 75 pips. All right, for the gold wise, Caro was talking about 2045 to 2046. Oh, so we are back to 2045 to 46. The other day we were talking about it, right? Earlier this week. Huh? Okay, so okay, so should be I think good. 2045 to 2046. Okay. Yeah. Okay, over here. All right. Okay. Right. Okay. Now for this. Okay. Yeah, for this area here. So looking into this area here. So tentatively allow it to, if you are buyers now, okay, then let's see if there's any opportunity for the buy. 1, 2. Looks like I cannot find. Oh yeah, okay. Pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar. And not pound dollar. Sorry, the gold may be looking for a support. Maybe looking for support within this area here. Okay. When I talk about the support, it means when I talk about support, it also what I mean is that it's looking out for a new support to go for a buying entry. Okay. Maybe looking at 2036 to 2034 within this area. Okay, so this may be the area. Okay, yeah. No, GU, I won't sell down. I won't go against the trend. That's why I give signal on GJ. GJ. Okay. GJ. Okay, yeah. All right. GJ. Sorry, GJ, you're looking for buying or selling? Sorry, I've forgotten. Oops. I'm sorry. Okay. Sorry, I've forgotten. Can you enlighten me again? All right. For the pound dollar, okay, yeah, pound dollar, yeah, in general trend, remember, yes, we are still on the buy side, okay, but each time, okay, for now is actually hitting each support is also a very good push to go back to the prevailing trend, so which is actually looking for something to go. So we need to be a little bit careful with this. Okay, so for pound dollar, by looking at this now, the buying should be good. Okay, yeah, okay, should be still good. We still have around 14 pips, about 14. Okay, 1-4. All right, selling la. Okay, selling la for the pound yen. Thank you so much. Okay. Okay. Pound yen. Okay. Yes, pound yen. Yep. Yeah, pound yen. So come back pound yen once again. All right. So same thing, pound yen. Unless it breaks this level here. Okay, this area. Then it will be easier for selling. Okay, currently it may be looking out for some resistance. Okay, it may be looking out for some resistance. Currently, I'm looking out for today is yeah, you are seller so I help you find sell entry. Oh, I see. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Okay. Wow, what a good partnership here. Okay, but now, okay, like I said here, the move of this bull here, Okay, the move of this buying is running very nicely. Then went into a transition. Okay, looks like it's actually coming back into the selling. Well, I think it's nice, it's good. Then I will be waiting for it to break this area, to retest, to form a new resistance downwards. Because, you know what, because over at this point here, I am looking at this area of support. Okay, this area of support here. Okay, as we can see, it's moving downwards from here, down here. Okay, it's moving downwards as you can see. Okay, let's see, when we are moving downwards to the support, downwards touches the support, back again touches the support, back again touches the support. So it's very obvious, right? Okay, it's very obvious that from this area here, the liquidity has been taken out. Okay, this has been taken out. So this liquidity has been taken out. Will it actually reverse back to create a new wave for a swing? Okay, usually what we say is, okay, this is what I've learned during my uni time. Okay, so it's like, you need a new wave. Okay, you need a new wave for the swing to come back. Okay, so that is of course very theory, but of course if somehow or other it may works. Okay, somehow or other it works in trading as well. Okay, then when we are talking about this area here, right, then many people will always plot this kind of chart, right? You can see. Okay, so as we close up, and let's see which way it breaks. Okay, which side it will break. It will break either side, am I right? Okay, so this kind of formation, okay, one of the theory we're talking about it is that you are facing on the support. A lot of people, I mean, I don't know how many people have heard of that. When you see the prices that touches the support, a lot of time is like breaking the ground, and the ground is getting more and more, it's getting weaker and weaker. Sooner or later it will break the more the price touches that area, which is not very true, because at the same time, not forgetting, we are on the both side, buyer and sellers. So in a way, when it touches here, you are accumulating the buyers. Am I right? Okay, it's also showing the buyers are also coming in. But by looking at this, buyers are coming in, but the level of push, it only reaches this level, which is lower high. And the next touches with the buyers comes in, it created a lower high. Okay, so when it touches again, when it's created a lower high. And each touches where the buyers comes in, it created a lower high. It also means lesser buyers are coming in, and even the buyers came in, but it also means they don't have power, because they're only able to push until this level, which is lower than the previous high. Okay, previous lower high. And when it come back to touches the buyer, attracting buyer come in, but the buyers can only push to this level, which is still lower than the previous high, previous lower high, and then it comes back again, touches this area where buyers comes in, it comes in to push, yet let's say it stopped here. It's still below, it's still lower than the previous lower high. So in a way, it's a sign of the buyers are getting weaker. But if you're talking about the touches, okay, and it boom up higher, touches buyer higher, okay, you can see that the buyers are accumulating more and more power, more and more powerful on the buyer side. Okay, all right. Okay, so that's one. Okay, that's one. Okay, so this is what we do. What we did during my olden days, where we're going to understand from the plotting of the charts to explain for the investors. Okay, for the investors. So from the chart, every time you can see from the numbers, from the statistics, okay, we can see the numbers are reducing. Okay, so we can see. Okay, so the theory is always the same in whether when I'm doing this silver, okay, silver trading, okay, then metals, all the metals instruments, whether I'm doing the stocks, okay, all right, in the past. So it applies in all instruments. Okay, so it's a very good sign on this. Okay, so you can use that as a reference. Okay, all right, so that should be all for this one. Okay, enough of this. I think alright. Okay, yeah, normally I will normally will break one side to take out buyer seller, then go the other way. What do you mean by new theory, Alan? Go and look out for the videos. 去看那个 video 啊，打你屁股哦，告诉你。Okay. Alright. Okay, so yep, and okay, so that's one. Okay, looks like I'm not going to trade until news is out, only if there's a weak flip opportunity. Okay, yeah, I think for the gold wise, okay, yeah, okay, most likely I missed that part of buyer getting weaker. Okay, yeah, if you, yeah, okay, I think we have Quack and CK know this theory very well, Quack and CK know this theory very well. Okay, okay, right. Okay, so let's not. Okay, I'm doing this not for the trend, Okay, yeah. Okay, what is that new lesson? No. Yeah. Okay, not a new lesson. We have been talking about it. You missed me many times. Okay. Okay. All right. So let's see for the pound yen. Okay. So we are still struggling here because we are still in the transition area. Okay. 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 So we are still in the transition area. I'm still waiting for that to come. For pound dollar, let's take a look. Pound dollar. Right, yeah, pound dollar, okay, and pound dollar, okay, yeah, then it should be looking into this to take out the highs up there. All right, so not bad. Okay, so still going there to take that area. Okay, so yep, I think that's pretty good. Okay, guys, do you understand? Did you manage to capture what I say just now? For just now the explanation. Okay, right. So if you do, okay, can you put in OK for me? Okay, put in OK for me, Okay, put in OK for me. All right. Yeah, and okay. So let's see if that's that will work on that which is go for this price of 127,833. 127,833. Okay, 127,833. Yep. GUTP5, Bradley, congratulations, well done. Okay, that's a buy, I believe that's a buy. Okay, yep. Yes, nice. Okay, good job. Right, so we got a TP over here from Bradley. Okay, get a 5 pips up, and still waiting for it to clear this area here. And now, as of now, even actually for now, the pound dollar, the beautiful side that the beautiful side over here, okay, is there's something that form up. There's a structure. But for the pound dollar, since the opening until now, I don't see any structure there. So looks like they're having a ding dong here. Okay, yeah, they are ding dong. They are they're having a ding dong over here, so I don't see that it's I'm not sure. Okay, there isn't any clear structure. Unlike yesterday, it's very clear that okay, yeah, then ready to sell, then they're ready to sell. So this is not so clear. This is not so clear yet. Okay, for this part here. Well, so waiting. This has been cleared, a new wave up, creating another swing. So let's see if the swing is going to come in. Okay. Well, but where is the starting point of the swing? And that is also one area. Okay, that's also one area to take note. Okay. I'm just waiting to see. Okay, if there's a good, starting point of the selling. Well, for GU, okay, for GU, still looking out for some pullbacks. Definitely there will be some pullbacks over at this point here, all right, to this level, but just waiting for the chance to come. Okay, may not be that fast. Okay, it won't come so soon. It will probably in the New York session. For GU wise, I also stay put, just like a Caro. I'm not going to trade, okay, until New York session, okay, after the news. Okay, highly likely. Okay, let's see. Caro is sharing something here. Right, the goal. Yeah, let's see. Oops. Okay. 2039. Okay. Okay, so 2046. Waiting for 2046. Okay, so you're looking for 2046. Are you waiting for 2046 now? At this area, I mean this whole area here, 2046 area. Okay. So let's see. Okay. Yeah. Right. Okay. Oh. Okay. Since this okay. Maybe in New York session, London usually create highest price and then testing lower of the day opening. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Let's see for is GT situation with blah 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 attack on the Yemen. Okay. Okay. Okay, guys, read the message in the Discord. Okay. Right, and pound dollar looks like now pound dollar. Any worse shit happens, gold will shoot up. Sorry, shoot up. Any worse shit happens, gold will shoot up. Yeah, correct. I agree. I agree. Right. Okay. So yeah, Sabrina was asking here. Is this gold coming in to form any structure after this inverse head and shoulder has completed? Over here, you're talking about this area. Okay. If you're talking about this area, yeah. I will say that tentatively this area has completed as a inverse head and shoulder. So this area here, okay, right, then it will be one area that okay, one area that it will form as a higher low. Okay, a higher low, the low, higher low to go further up. Okay, all right, then it will go further up. Okay, yeah, yeah, agree. Yesterday after CPI result, few hours later, Yemen firing again, firing starts. Okay, price went up even before because they know what's going to happen. Yeah. Okay, so let's wait and see. Okay, if they are able to break this area, breaks through. Okay, if this is going to break through, okay, okay, so then we can see. Okay, this will actually buy up to this area here. Okay, right. Okay, so let's wait and see. Let's wait and see because currently by this with this move here, they are still working very hard to break this area 127,550. Okay, so that we can go for this zone and this zone. All right. Okay. This area to come back here for a 12 pips over here. It may also, but the thing is that it's just that this area is very struggling. This area is a very struggling area, which I'm not very interested in trading this area here. Okay, all right, yeah. Okay, so one level here, creating one level here. So now they are looking out to this 12 pips. If you are going for a very fast scalp, then probably that may be the area. Okay. Okay, so yep. Well, let's see if that will continue the selling for the pound dollar. Okay, let's take a look at GJ. GJ is back here again. Yeah, GJ is back. It's coming back here again. All right. We have about 10 minutes for the M30 to open because right now M30 is still has not closed nicely, not nice enough. Okay, yeah. Okay, so yeah. GJ, if you are selling off from here, we have 6 to 14 pips. Yes, let me switch back. Yes, GU and GJ is similar. Okay, yeah, looks similar over here. Okay, but they also have a similar situation whereby GJ is still on this area of support here. Okay, area of support, still on the area of support, and GU still area of support as well. Okay, this GU is shitty. Okay, pound dollar is shitty today. Okay, but shitty for the sellers. But generally is still looking up on the buy side. The buy side is still pretty good, I would say. Okay, I will still say the buy side is still a pretty good one because it's still, when it comes to this price of 127.67.9, this area is still an area of forming up the higher low, which is going to push even higher. Okay, so that is one point, and that's why I'm saying that GU is shitty for the seller, until it actually can tested on the 127, not 127, taken out 127.833 and tested 127.891. You know what? Yeah. Okay, for GJ wise, let's wait. I'm waiting for it to break this area, retest this to form resistance below 185.136. Then I see that it will be good. Okay. Yeah, GU wise, okay, now come back here. I'll be looking into this area of higher low. Okay, a higher low. Then probably let's wait for it to get into this area, break out of this structure of a higher low structure. Then selling may comes in. we can sell. Okay, yeah, Sabrina, yeah, Sabrina, we can sell. You know what? Okay, let's say we can sell. You can start selling from here, but you are selling. You are selling in a way. Okay, you are selling in a way trying to break the structure. Okay, but you are not selling according to the structure. There is no tentatively. I don't have my selling structure yet. Okay, so yes, yes. Sorry, Sabrina. You can sell from here. Okay, you can sell from here, whereby you are selling to break the structure. But usually, what I do is that I want to sell with the structure. I want to sell with the structure. Okay, yeah. Your cam is showing your. Is it? Let me see. Is it okay now? Wait. Okay. Okay, yeah. Okay, I think it should be okay now. Okay. Right. Okay, so that okay, so now it's actually breaking the higher low structure. So it's not, if this is going to close below here, okay, highly likely or more or less there's a chance that there won't be any higher low anymore. Okay, probably they may not have higher low. Okay, but of course we still have this to take into consideration. Am I right? Okay, that's why that's the reason why I kept saying that I want this zone and this zone. Okay, because this zone and this zone, okay, will break out of everything. Then it will show up. It will show up a better selling structure. Then I sell with the structure. Now you are selling off to break the structure, to create the structure. But are you the one who create the structure? Are you the one to break the structure? We are not. We are not. So let's allow the market to create it for us. Then we'll go. Okay. Yeah. All right. Okay. For Pound Yen. Okay. Pound Yen looks good because it closed below. It closed below this area here. Let's see if this is going to retest. Now it's retesting, am I right? It's retesting. So it's retesting, which is good. M30 is good now. Also, it's nice. All right. Okay. So this one. Okay. Yeah. Then now this one. Okay. This one is good. Then now the next thing is that retest to form a resistance down. I think Pound Yen will be better. It's also good. Right, it's also good. Okay, yes, Carol, I'm thinking about to change my nickname on YouTube to XNS. Okay, let's take a look and go. When you are talking about this, I have an image that the goal is booming to your target again. All right. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, XNS channel. Okay. Come on. You can do it. Don't change your nick, but create a channel, and we will, and you shall do it, and we will join your channel. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Speaking of which, the other day I received a message in my IG. Someone was asking me, "Hey, you are having a live streaming in the YouTube. Aren't you afraid that there are many other people, actually comes into a YouTube and steal your idea, your knowledge, and go back to your community?" I know by all means, there's no harm, and there's no conflict on my side. And why I also see that you're also promoting others channel. No, why not? We have friends. Why not? Correct. Okay, so if you are going to create a channel, okay, we'll bring everybody there to join you. Okay. Right. I have lots of time, so I'm thinking too much. I wish I have I wish I have a lot of time too. Okay. Yeah. Okay, now for pound dollar, okay, just now we are talking about this area that it may create a higher low. Am I right? A higher low. So if this higher low is breaking out of this higher low structure, am I right? Okay, it's breaking out of this higher low structure. Now it also sees that it can also become a lower high, correct? So let's see. It breaks this, but we are still in the midst of having a higher low or a lower high, correct? Either way. So let's see if this area is going to retest this higher low possibility area to become a resistance and to sell off again. Then I will say that high chance that it is going to break out of the higher low to become lower high. Then it's forming can you see the forming of the structure is coming in slowly? For example, overview. Okay, let's talk about overview. Selling off, buying up, going to transition, full of rubbish here, no structure, and forming of structure. Now I'm talking about the forming of structure. Okay, now I'm talking about forming of structure. This is the whole process of that forming the structure. You will face a transition. In the transition, you see a lot of rubbish. Okay, that makes you think whether it's to buy, whether to sell. That's all rubbish. That means there's no clear direction. So in a way, in this case, it's getting clearer and clearer where you will start to see the. I'm actually translating the process that it become one of the structure. Initially, we are talking about when it comes this way, I'm talking about inverse head and shoulder. Pop, it went up, correct? Pop, it went up. So inverse head and shoulder form up, okay? Done, start selling off. Then now it may create the higher low to go higher to take this high, correct? But if this is breaking down, and let's see if this is going to create another selling off, another lower resistance, it's actually building up the selling structure. Okay, yeah. Okay, so that is one. All right, that's one. Okay, that's one. That's one way I'm looking at it from the bull transit rubbish, the process of forming. Okay, the process of forming the selling structure or the buying structure. Either way. Okay, pound yen M30 has opened, which this is something that I'm concerned. Okay, M30 looking at M30 looks nice. Okay, looking good. That it closed below 185, 136. But remember, this is an area. It's not specific points. Okay, and looks like selling may be coming in. Okay, because it tested. See, it breaks, retests this area, and now. Is it going to form up low, higher low, to go further up, or to form a resistance downwards to go sell down to take this area to form as a high, lower high, test the support. You get what I mean now? Okay, so this is the area of that we need to pay attention to. Okay, so this is when you are reading, like I say, you are reading the chart, you must understand this chart is a language that they are trying to communicate with us. So you need to learn that language. Okay, we need to learn that language. Okay, yeah. Okay. Yeah. Caro, yeah. Buenos dias. Buenos dias. I'm learning that language as well, huh? Buenos dias. Buenas noches. Wow, but I don't sound like Spanish. I have to add on the accents to make it sound like Spanish, huh? Okay. GU sell TP. Okay, congratulations. So Alan, you must know when you are selling the GU. Okay, just like Sabrina. You are selling to create the structure or to break the structure. Okay, so yep. Okay, but anyway, okay, if you're good at that, then okay. Alright. So I have not entered any trade yet. Yep, Sabrina, I have not. Okay, so GJ also. GJ almost there, near there. Okay. GU. Okay, GU. Yep. Wow. Okay, so GU selling down. We are coming to 10 pips. Okay, so we are a little bit more to go. A little bit more to go. And what most important is the structure has to surface. The structure has to surface. That's very, very, very important. Yeah. Okay, so let's see. Let's wait. Okay, let's wait for a while. I'm waiting. Okay. Excuse myself for a little while, guys. Okay. Let me off my cam for a while. Okay, GU M5 break the purple line, retest, then enter trade for 5 pip scalp. Oh, okay. Yeah. Yes, 是可以的哈，是可以的。我明白。I understand yeah, I understand your explanation there. Okay. Okay, so okay, let's see. And okay, for now, we are now looking into pound dollar. If this is going to break this level, or will it actually form up a support in this area to go back, or it's going to break this to go on the selling. Okay, GU M5 seems building the M5 shape, M shape. Okay, this M shape, just like what yesterday I was talking about, it don't work. Okay, it don't work. All right. If the M5 is here, sorry, if the M is here, it works. Okay, this don't work. You get what I mean? All right, it will work up here. It will work down there. Because your so-called M-shaped building, okay, is actually a mixture of double top theory. When we talk about double top theory, the word top, what does it mean? It should be at the top of the wave, not in the middle of the wave. Okay, not in the middle of the wave. It should be at the top of the wave. Example. Okay, let's say this M. Can you see the M here? There's a so-called your M shape here. The wave is at the top of this wave. Can you see? Because of the liquidity here taken up. Okay, over here, this whole area. Draw it out for you like that. Okay, can you see? This whole thing. This works. This will work. You get what I mean now? Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Good. So this will have to come out for this whole wave to be up here. Sorry. Not here. Should be up here. Okay. Why? Okay. Oh, sorry. Yes, correct. This whole wave should be here. Okay, it should be here. Okay, should be here. Should be this area. 127,833. Then it works. Okay. All right. But M5 too small lah. Too small. Okay. You see a lot of W, a lot of W here, M here, W here, M here, W here, M here. Too many. You get a lot of confusion. Okay. You have to look at a bigger overview. Okay. Overview overview will be so much clearer. We are now only creating selling structure. So you see this candle, when it started the inverse head and shoulder, Bradley captured the 5 pips buy. You capture the selling TP. This is Bradley is buying with the inverse structure. You are selling to create the structure. So this may go up here. This come up here, tested, rejected, down to sell off. This now is creating a high, lower high, and going down. This area here. Where? Here. Okay. Too big, I cannot see. This area here. If this is going to create another selling, this is a support. We don't have enough space. Okay, so this will create the selling, but we don't have enough space that you will meet up with you don't sell near the support. Am I right? The theory. So don't enter until it breaks, retest again, same. Now this will have more space. That will be one. Okay. MK Frank Yen. Okay, let me check. Is the Frank Yen still around with me? Frank Yen. Oh, I have Kiwi Frank. Okay, let me close the Kiwi Frank. Frank Yen. Okay, let's take a look at Frank Yen. Before I take a look at Frank Yen, let me browse through GJ. GJ rejected from this area. GJ, okay. GJ got rejections here, so can pay attention to that. Merry Christmas. Alright, so for now, Frank Yen. Okay. Frank Yen, we have been looking out for buying, and now for the past few days, creating the selling through this area, right? We have been looking out to sell. Okay, so we are, unfortunately, we are on the support now. We're on the support now. Let's wait for it to break 170. Retest this area. You only have 27 pips there. You have a range here. 27 pips down after it breaks 170. Alright, MK, Frank Yen. Then after that, you may have another zone here. 37 pips. Total 66 pips. Alright, MK. Let's go in details. Oh, same. Same theory as GJ. Same theory as GJ. Okay. Very, very similar to GJ. Okay, so let's look at EJ. EJ. I think Frank Yen not so safe for now, because Euro Yen. Okay, let's see. Euro Yen also facing out with the support now. Okay, and not so good for Frank Yen. Frank Yen. Let's see, Frank Yen. Let's see how's the. You have to wait for H4 to close to confirm. H4 is doing good now. If it close right below 170, I think that it should be good. tentatively franc yen is still looking good for the selling as of now, but then again is that let's wait for it to break 170. Okay, MK. If it breaks 170, look out for another resistance to sell, so that you can go for 169.735. 169.735. Okay, this is my first zone. My second zone is here, which be looking out. Okay. Okay, which will be looking out. Well, in fact, no. In fact, 169.73. Yeah. 169.347. Or can go even lower to 169.081, 89. 169.090. Okay, MK. All right, is it okay, MK? Okay. Yeah. Yes, and all right. So now this let me take a look again. Euro yen. Yes. Bradley. Okay. That's good. That's good. Must have plans. Okay. For I'm looking at the euro yen. Euro yen is very similar. Like yesterday, we were talking about the pound dollar and the gold. They are setting up the support. So let's wait and see the H4. Let's see the H4. Okay. Generally, okay. Franc yen, we have a selling signal here, but then we are very near to the support. Don't sell near the support. Remember that. Okay, don't sell near the support. Okay, so sell below the support when there's a new resistance to come. For example, if this is going to continue the selling, let's say this selling, don't chase the low. When it start to sell, it started to break through the support, right? When there's no resistance, the resistance came above the support. It breaks through, but don't chase the low. The moment it starts selling, don't chase the low. Either you missed, which is most of the time in forex trading, we miss a lot of trades. So it's very common. But it's also very common to lose, correct? So why not we just wait for a little while, wait for a little while to form a new resistance below the support to confirm, to have a confirmation, then we sell. I think it's easier. Okay, it's easier that way. Right, just like pound dollar now. Okay, pound dollar, you see, we are very near to the support area. We are near to the support area now. Correct? So, which is good in a way, you see, it went back, retest this area nicely, correct? Creating. There's a selling signal. But this selling signal, we are very near to the support. So, not worth taking this risk. And this resistance, it may break this. You may find that I didn't enter this, I missed this. Actually, you did not miss. Actually, it is creating the opportunity for you to trade in this zone or even this zone, or maybe this whole zone here. You can have another retest, then it goes down again. That will be sharp and fast to capture your profit, rather than you need to go for another round of roller coaster, then you come back. You know, it is so emotional, stirred up. You know, there's a lot of thoughts during that within that trade, which I see that not worth it. You see, okay, you get what I mean? All right. So it's good. It's getting near. You see, it's getting near. It's getting near. It's coming into my zone here. So we were talking about it may take out the highs to sell or to break below this area to trade. So either way, and within this area, a lot of rubbish, because once again comes in, the bull went in, it started to hover around, you know, it's in the transition between bull and bear. Okay, so there's a lot of rubbish in there. So avoid the rubbish area. Just like yesterday, it went up. You see, there's a lot of rubbish here. Wait for it to get out of the rubbish area, the rubbish chute. There we go. Right. Yeah. So same theory. Okay. Yeah. Right. So okay. Okay. Let's wait. Okay. All right. So let's see. Let me check. Okay. GJ. Let's talk about GJ. Yeah. GJ now. GJ looks better now. Started to retest and waiting to sell off to get anywhere. It's going to sell off to get this area here. 14 pips down, even to creating a lower low down to area 35 pips there. About 35 pips. Okay, about 35 pips. Okay, or even down to 75, right? Just now earlier on we are talking about. Okay, so yeah, GJ also looks good also. We can pay attention to that. GU, okay. GU, we are on the support now. Okay, we are still on the support now. Okay, first target in this zone, we have 14 pips, right? About 14, around 14 pips. Yes, what your theory is interesting with rubbish. Yeah, it is. Okay, this whole area is rubbish. Okay. Yeah. So okay. And let's see if this we are going anywhere. Are we going anywhere to? Is it getting into anywhere for us to go for a selling? Okay. Yeah. So let's see the next M5. Unfortunately, the next M5 opened above this support area. Takes a bit longer. It's going to take a lot longer. Okay. All right. Well. Okay. Let's see if this is going to retest back into this area to have a bigger push, or this to break this area to come back here for another push so that it can come down here. All right. Okay. Right over here. Hi, Shona Forex. Thank you so much. It's my honor to see you here. Thank you very much. Mr. ACS, do you check dollar index when trading? Right. Okay. Nice to see you here. My name is Eric. Thank you so much. Dollar index are usually, okay, it depends on what kind of instrument you are trading. For me, usually I don't really check. Okay, I don't really check. But there are certain point of time I will take a look. Okay, certain point of time I'll take a look, especially after high impact news from the dollar. Okay, high impact news from the dollar. After, okay, so after the high impact news, usually I will check on the dollar index. All right, to have a reference. How do I go about with my pound dollar, euro dollar, Aussie dollar, or even the gold? Okay, all right, so that's one. All right. Okay, so GJ, let's take a look. GJ, yes, Khatib. How are you, Khatib? Okay, GJ looks pretty good, but do remember now. Okay, let's see. GJ, we are getting nearer, nicer. I'm waiting for H4. GJ, I'm waiting for H4. Okay, I'm waiting for H4 to close right below. Okay. Okay, H4 is not we are moving towards the closing of H4, so I'm waiting for H4. Okay, yeah. Okay, we are moving towards the H4 closure, so let's see how it closes. Okay, then after that, If it close nicely, H4 close nicely below this area, and then with a new resistance to sell off again in this GJ, yes, I think yes, it will be should be good enough to go further down. All right, to 184.359 is a target here. We have 67 pips now. Okay, good to hear that you are good. Okay, cut it. Thank you so much. Okay, GJ. All right, GJ. Just now earlier on, we are talking about retesting. Am I right? We're talking about retesting. It breaks below retest, but can you see this retesting? All right, how's the candle is like? Green, red, green, red, green, red, green, red. There's a lot of things here. Okay, so this should be quite good over here. Okay, after the H4 close right below, there's one level here to take note. Close right below here, and you should take. We have 14 pips here. All right, but if it hits onto this to retest again to form another resistance down, yes, then that I think that will be a good move. Okay, that will be a good move down there. All right. Yeah, Merry Christmas, Mamma Mia. Okay. Okay. Right, so this one, it goes a bit slow over at this point here. A lot of struggling here. Green, red, green, red, green, red here. Okay, so yeah, you're a little bit patient here. GU, yes. All right, GU looks like good also now. Okay, we are now going to wait for the GU. We're going to wait for the GU to see if there's any retest to sell off. Okay. H4 is closing soon. Okay, be careful. Wow, H1 is so nice. Oh, so beautiful. We have about 6 minutes to go. About 6 minutes to go. Then let's see if this how the candle closed during this period of time. Okay, because my greatest worries now is that when the H4 close, and I want to see how it close, whether it close into the area which is favorable to us. Okay, all right. Okay, so let's see. Let's wait for a little while. Okay, we are getting out of the rubbish area. Okay, we are getting out of the rubbish area. All right, very soon we are getting out. So once it goes back, that's back. Okay, once it goes back, and then go. All right. All right, so this is the rubbish area, All right. Okay. Okay, come back, retest. Form up another lower highs. Then okay, get what I mean? Alright, so from here to here, okay. Although we had 20 pips down, okay, so you may think that it's a miss, but don't take it as a miss. It's actually with these 20 pips, it's getting down to get out of this area so that we have a greater good probability of going down further to take this area. Okay, to take this area. Okay, yep. All right, the goal, yes, we should take 2035 liquidity with gold. 2035 liquidity with gold. Okay. Over 2035. Over here. Let's see. Let me check. Slightly lower a little bit. Anyway, it's still there. Yeah, 2035. Okay, so let's see. Okay. So the goal. So it seems like there's an opportunity for the goal, let me. yeah, I think this is quite good over here. You have another hour for the goal, which 1, 2. Yeah. Let me see. This one a little bit tough. Yeah, I think it's quite nice. I think it's quite good over here. I mean, tough reading on my side here. Okay, yeah. I think over here for the goal wise, 2035. I think this should be the area that they are looking out for the support to create the support up there. Looks pretty good, yeah. If only EU goes down as well, but very low volume. Don't expect miracle before news. Yeah, I also think so. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So likely I have another point here. Okay, let's take a look at this point. I have this point here. If the goal able to break 2037, okay, I see there's a good chance that 2035 will have high chance of grabbing this 2035. If 2037 36 is achieved below this level, let me zoom in this level. Okay, this level 2037 36. Okay, yeah. 2037 2037 36. Okay, so this area here, yeah. GU, yes, Sabrina. Okay, retested once. Yep. Okay. Retested once. Okay, good. H4 opening. Yes, let's take a look. Yep. GU first. Let's take a look. GU. All right. GU over here. Yes. H4 opening. Check the wick. You mean which one? You mean GU or GJ? Okay, let me go with GU first. Okay, let me go with GU first. Okay, so GU with the closure, I think looks good for this H4. Okay, this H4 I think is good over here. All right, and looks good for this GU closure. Okay, let me shrink a bit. Resistance has formed and not yet to meet any support there. Okay, and H1 looks nice because it closed right below here, and seems like we are going to go for some retesting before we can go for selling if that holds. Yeah, okay, no, interesting. Pound dollar, GU. Okay, let's see if this 127550 able to hold as a resistance down. We have about 13 pips down there waiting for us. Or this is one level, this is an area, this whole area. When I see this point to point, we can see this 1270,608. Okay, this area here. All right. Okay, so once it retested into this area for another round of selling, I think that should be a good one. Okay, that will be a good one. All right. Okay, for gold 2038. Let's see. Okay, 2038. Yep. Okay. No wick on the bottom. Okay, it can yep, over here 2038 for this. Mine is 2038.12. And my low is 2038.06. That's why there's a little bit of difference for that, because we have different liquidity provider. So there's a little bit difference. Okay, so let's see. No wick on the bottom trade. Okay, yeah. Okay, let's see if okay, over here. So TP 2038, correct. Okay, so because this is the point. Okay, yeah. All right, so that will be the point. Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Quick, come in. 快啲啊！快啲入咗啊！入嚟啦！入嚟啦！Okay. Merry Christmas. Look out for this, okay. Okay, a little bit more. Okay. Let's see if this is going to you can go lower as well. Okay. Okay, so this let's pay attention to this. Okay, later on you can take a look. Let's take a look at GJ. Okay, yes, go. 10 pips already. We are going to trade the flip. For the goal. GJ still good, doing good. Okay, GU also nice. Okay, looks like GU is also doing good. Okay, looks like GU is also doing good over here. Retested once. Okay, retested once. All right. I took 5 pips just now. Wow, so nice. Congratulations, well done. Okay, good. Congratulations. Okay, so for the GU, okay, GU looks pretty okay. GU, we are into the area. GU, we are into the area now. Okay, GU, we are also into this area now. Okay, which is good. Which is also good. GU. Nice. Okay. Right. Okay, so GU also on the selling side. GJ also on the selling side. Okay, for the goal wise, okay, it's going to go for the flip, right? Okay. Okay. Right. Let's see. GU. Yes, Sabrina had entered. Okay. Another round. Another round now, Okay. This also looks good. Looking good. Okay, so keep it up. Okay, let's check. Okay. For the goal wise, okay. Waiting for the flip over, Okay. Okay, looks good. 2037.36. I'm looking at 2037.36. That may be a good one. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Right. And let's see. Okay. Waiting for this area, and pound dollar also. Yes, pound dollar. Yeah. Pound dollar, area, huh? Pound dollar looking into 127410 over at this area here. Okay, and so which price did you enter, Sabrina? I haven't entered. Sorry, I typo error. Oh, okay, I haven't entered. Okay, yeah. So looking into this area, if this is going to retest back to this area to go back again. Okay, although there's a little retest here, but this retesting doesn't seem good enough. Okay, it seems like it's a continuity from the selling. Okay, it looks more like a it looks more like a continuity, although there's some retesting over at this area here. Yeah. Okay. So hang on first. Yeah. Careful. Don't chase the low. Yeah. Correct. Okay. Yeah. Don't chase the low. Okay. Okay. So GJ. Let's take a look. GJ. Okay. Also reversing up a bit. Okay. Sorry. Right. Let's say if the H1, I'm looking at H1 for the gold. Probably let's say if this is going to go a little bit higher than the previous candle, then likely there may be then the selling may comes back again. Yeah. Okay, this area anyway, this area. Then look, then we are still currently it is still there, about 10-11 pips only, correct? 10-11 pips, not there yet, Okay. Yep. About 10-11 pips, right? Okay. Yeah. So pound dollar. Yeah, pound dollar. Now this pound dollar, though. Now pound dollar, no, don't wait for the retest first. Okay, wait for the retest first. Okay. Okay, anyways, PPI later on, and just wait for it. Okay. Yeah. Okay, that should be okay. Let's wait for a little while and see. That should be looking into, first of all, the gold. Okay, the gold wise. Okay, and let's see. We are into this area that anytime it may flip over. Okay. Gold wise, anytime looks like anytime it may flip over down to create the wicks. Then that's where I'm also generally looking into 2037 to set up the support before if it's going up to take the liquidity up there. Okay, that's one. Okay, and GJ, let's take a look at GJ. Okay, GJ, now with this move down here, green red, seems like it's going to create something to retest to have a good one. Okay, to have a good one. All right, to have a good retesting. Yeah, then we are going to have a good selling off again. I think that's this area. Green red, usually there's a lot of struggling signal. Okay, so I will still be waiting for one green resistance come back to take the buying liquidity there. Okay, all right, yeah. Okay, so that's one. And yes, what? TTG, yes. TTG, yeah. Okay, wait for Mamma Mia first. Okay. let's see if time permits. Okay, right. So for pound dollar, okay, H4. Let's see. H4 looks pretty good with resistance created to sell off. Okay, and there are still plenty of good area down there for the pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar still have plenty of good opportunity there. But the thing is that 127410 is one of obstacle that we should be paying attention to as well. Okay, so let's take a look over at this point here. Where is it? Over here. Okay, so this area here. Right, so that is one point that we need to pay attention to. Now, if this pound dollar, if this candle is going to close below the wicks there, then it will be good. Okay, because M15 is closing soon. We are fighting the opening of the day now over here. So this is a challenge. This may be a challenge. If it's going to close below, yes, then it's going to be Mamma Mia, huh? Okay, yeah, then we can see there's a good chance that pound dollar will actually start to swing down. All right, it will start to swing down. Then I think it will be so much better. All right. Then the thing is for the gold wise, okay, okay, yes, I think a little bit more. Gold wise, we are into the area here. Okay, can you see the area here? Okay, waiting for the flip to create the wicks. Huh? Okay, all right. I still see. Let's see how this close first. How this gold close is important. At this minute, this M5 but I see that it should be quite okay, right? Okay. Yep. Okay, so looks good. That looks good, and well, a little bit more. I think a little bit more to go. Okay, a little bit more to go. Okay. Yeah, should be still looking good. Okay, should be still looking good. Right. Okay, should be still looking good. There's some obstacle here. Once it cross through, then it should zoom down. Okay, nice. Okay, nice. Yep, that's for the goal. Okay, let's see how it closes later on. Now it's creating for a lower high, and now trying to go for a lower low. Then you will see the flip. Okay, you will see the flip. Yeah, gold, I can't see anything. Gold, you can't see anything because you're looking at the general trend. If you're looking at the flip, look into details. If you're looking for the flip, then look for the details. I'm pre-writing my boom. Thumbs up for you. Okay, yeah. Okay, with this close, okay, with this closure, with this M5 closure over here, with this going beyond 2038.93, I see very good chance we are going down to take 2037.81. Okay, I think yeah, that's one. Okay, right. Then if 2037.81 is going to break, we're going to 2037.36. Okay. Yeah. For pound dollar, let's take a look. Yeah. Pound dollar facing with some difficulty now. Pound dollar. Okay. If only the pound dollar can pass through. If only pound dollar can pass through this week, to take this week, Then we are going down to 127,410 to take this. 127,410. 127,410. Okay. What triple top though? The goal? What triple top? What triple top? You mean here? 1, 2, 3. Is it an M5? Or in H1? 1, 2, 3. I don't know. I don't know which one you are referring to. Merry Christmas. Please enlighten us. Okay. Okay, while waiting for that, while waiting for Merry Christmas, let's take a look at GJ. GJ. Yes, GJ. Finally. Okay, GJ. Let's take a look. With this is good. Okay, it's creating the liquidity there, but of course it tested on the support, showing the support is there. So if the resistance able to hold, we should be going down to take this. Okay, we have 13 pips. Okay, that's the GJ. All right. Okay. Yes, never look at M5 chart, we go, Okay, when I look at M5 chart, it's actually usually for the details, Okay. Yeah. On M5. Okay, on M5. Okay. No, you don't read M5 this way, It's for gold, it's a bit different. Okay, so over here, I'm actually just reading on the moment how it moves, that's all. Okay, the moment how it moves, that's all. Okay. So if I'm not wrong, okay, if I'm not wrong, this should be looking on the selling should be still there. GJ bought double bottom. Yeah. Okay. Hang on first. Okay, so sorry, I'm in the meeting. I call you back. Okay, so let's see, double bottom. Yeah, looks like one. Okay, and let's see. Yeah, this is one that's stopping the selling. Okay, over here, and then let's see if we are able to hold it to continue the selling, because this is not a very solid double bottom yet. It's not a double bottom yet. Double top should be at the top. Double bottom should be at the wave of the bottom. This is a rubbish over here. Okay, same thing. This is a rubbish here. So we are still in the transition area. Okay, so not yet, not there yet. Okay, so hang on first and see. This, you can call this a support, I would say. Double bottom theory, the chart is showing yes, it's good. Okay, then but it also depends where is the double bottom, where's the double top. Okay, all right, that's also a crucial point. Okay, I mean for me, that's for me. Okay, this is a support. It is a support. Okay, it's forming up a support now. All right, GU. Okay, GU. Yes, GU. Right now we are coming to the opening of the day, and looks like we are testing to break the opening of the day so they can go lower. Okay, then it's still struggling, but this looks more like forming up the support like GJ, correct? Okay, then again is that with this H4, okay, with this H4, right? So will this H4 will this continue to go further down to take out all this? Because there's still plenty of good opportunity down here. Okay, good opportunity down here, right? And let's see. Okay, let's see if there's a good chance there to have another round of resistance to sell off. Okay, from this area, like I said just now earlier on, red, green, all this not so good. Correct, not so good. So just hang on for a little while. Okay. Yep. Okay. Yep. Yeah, and no, I think hang on, this have to wait. You have to wait. Okay. Yeah, Sabrina was saying, I'm going to eat something. Tell Caro that. Caro, now you have Sabrina reporting her every little action. GJ, okay, no more Mamma Mia. Hang on. Okay, we still have we still have a little bit here. Okay, maybe it's actually, you know, with this, like I say, red green is not so good until they are going to create one liquidity for it to swing down. Okay, one area to swing down. Okay, they are creating. Now they are creating, so still quite okay. Okay, so well, she says she's going to eat something. Okay, so for the goal wise, yeah, okay, I think it's coming near. Goal wise, now we are taking out this one, H1. Okay, the H1 over here. You see this H1 here? Now is slightly a little bit higher than the previous high. 2040.13, 2040.05. So the wick is now taking is a little bit higher than that wick. Okay, like a cat run over by a. Well, maybe. Maybe. Okay. Right. Sabrina said you're so cheeky. Okay. Well, anyway, okay, so I guess for pound dollar, lastly, okay, we're going to retest this whole area. Then after that, to see if there's a resistance to sell off. Then after that, we go on the selling. All right. Okay. If not, if this is going to break above, no. Okay, definitely a no. All right. Yeah. Then let's see if this resistance is going to form for pound dollar over here. Then there will be a very good. Selling over to this area. Okay. Then there is still a good chance of selling down of this area. Okay. All right. Right. Yes, I'm very modest older gentleman. Okay. Yeah, 2 hours. We have been through about 2.5 hours, I think. 2 hours, I think. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, guys, today's Friday, facing with PPI later on. Okay. So get a good lunch and get ready for the PPI later on. Right. So do remember to stay away when they are announcing. And after that, we have plenty of chance to trade. Okay. All right. So that should be all for this week. I think this week we have pretty good week to start off with. And we are going to move on to the next week. Then let's see if we can, let's see next week. Okay. We can have a good week again, like this week. All right. Guys, thank you so much. So enjoy your weekend. And I have to go. All right. TTG. Right. All right, TTG, time to go. Okay, so see you again. Good luck and happy weekend with your profits. Thank you so much. This is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Before I go, do remember to smash the like button and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. All right, thank you so much, guys. This is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. See you again.